You are welcome to Ojemai TV. Today we will be looking at balancing of chemical equation. Well, first of all, before balancing chemical equation, you must know what chemical equation is. Chemical equation is something that when you add two things together, they form a new thing. For instance, you want to prepare your soup. Of course, you have to get most of the material that you need to get your soup prepared. Then you now add them together, you warm it, at the end of it you get your soup. That is what we call chemical equation. And in the chemical equation, you discover that there is always a product and there is always a reactant. So reactant will come together to form a product. But for today, we are going to look specifically on how you can balance chemical equation. A lot of people have problem with balancing chemical equation. For instance, beginners in year 1 in universities, and also those who are preparing for their examination in senior secondary school. It is very, very important for you to know how to balance chemical equation in chemistry. So balancing of chemical equation. And now we have different types of balancing of chemical equation. We are going to look at it, consider a lot of them. That is, if you continue to subscribe in videos, we have a lot of videos who have done this chemical equation before. So we have number 1 chemical equation we are going to look at is combination reaction. Combination reaction. Combination reaction. In combination reaction, in combination reaction is when two or more elements combine together to form a new substance. That is what we call combination reaction. For example, we have A plus B will react to form AB. This is a typical example of combination reaction. How do you balance this type of chemical equation? For instance, you have Na plus Cl. Sodium will react with chlorine to form sodium chloride. This is a typical example of combination reaction. We also have, what if you are given a compound like this? An element, sodium plus chlorine. How do you balance it? Are you going to balance it? You can pause the video and try it by yourself, but then just try to see how you can balance it. We have NaCl. Is this one correct? No, of course it's not correct. Since you have two here, the best way you can do this, you carry these two to this side. It therefore means that sodium has 2 molecules, chlorine has 2 molecules. Likewise, chlorine here we have 2, and sodium here has 2 molecules. We also have the example of another the equation. We have hydrogen gas combined with sulfuric acid. What will it form? It will form H2SO4. This is a typical example of combination reaction. An element or compound combining itself together to form a product, to form a single compound. This is a typical example of a combination reaction. We also have different types of chemical reaction. For instance, let me give you an example. You can pause the video and try this equation on your own. When you have something like H plus H2 plus CO3, what is it going to be formed? Of course, we know that one will form a weak acid. That is carbonic acid, H2CO3. That is how you balance this kind of chemical equation. We have series of chemical equation which you need to know. And if you have any challenges in balancing this kind of chemical equation, you can just hit the subscribe button. Any kind of chemical equation that you need, just hit the subscribe button. We have a lot of a series of videos who have already been recorded to solve all your problems. If you can just take this one for your last work. You have Na plus SO 4. So when you have this, that's your class 1. You also have you have Mg plus O. What do you have here? What? So in your subsequent video, we are going to look at decomposition reaction. Thank you. You can hit the subscribe button.